Hi, Dave Coble with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Thanks for joining us. We're aboard a 2020 36 Aviara, the AV36. This boat is something you've got to experience. Stadium seating in the back, which is something that's kind of unique. This is on a gas assist, so it raises up. You just put a little pressure on it, shove it down. You flip those up. You've got seating across with a shade that extends out over you. It's a pretty cool setup here. Come on in and we'll check more out. Inside the boat, you see there's a ton of space here. I'm a large guy, I take up some real estate. Plenty of seating, not really any wasted space. You've got seating over here as well that you can watch skiers or just sit and relax. We've got a place to put some bottles and different things, and a sink in here if you wanted to entertain. Nice Dometic refrigerator in the bottom where you can keep, sandwich meat and whatever if you want to take your family out. Then we also have a built-in cooler, insulated cooler, and it's a good size cooler, so you can just bring your stuff down, throw it in when you get gas. They'll pretty much give you ice, and you're on the water ready to go. Stepping up to the helm, it's beautifully appointed. Nice large flat screens. They're all designed to work together. Everything works flawlessly. We also have the Lenco trim tab system that works automatic. It's a pretty cool system if you haven't seen it. This boat is equipped with a joystick, and it's run with Ilmor engines. Those are Indy racing engines. They're also put in some other brands. The things are very reliable, run super high horsepower, and they're made to function for a long time. They're great engines. Also got reverse seating, which is really nice. So it's an additional spot where you can sit and watch a skier or watch the races or whatever. Something that we're real impressed with on this brand, they've decided to put storage areas for everything. This has your table down inside it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's nicely stowed for the new owner. And that way you're not having to reach under a lot of times in an engine compartment or under a seat or whatever. It's right here. You just walk up and stick it in. It's great. Stepping forward, it's a large seating area. I'm 6'4". I got a long torso. It's almost to my shoulders as I sit in the front. Your family would be safe. You can feel confident driving down these rough waters and know that no one's gonna, feel like they're gonna flop out. You're not gonna be scaring your family. They'll enjoy themselves up front in this boat. It's actually a pleasure to ride up here. Sitting down in the berth, of course, this has Jen and air. Actually has heat at the helm for you. It's a nice spot down here. It has a piece that fills in, and you've got a space to lay. So if you want to have a night out overnight, you can do that. You've got a nice head in here. Klipsch stereo and speakers. Everything is Klipsch. That's high-end stuff. It's really nice. This actually pivots out as well, so that you can watch TV as you're down here. Say if it starts raining or something.